cute. I see.
I see.
Give Anthony, give Elena, Eva a kiss. Go behind. Okay, both of you give kiss. Okay, wait. 1, 2, 3, no. All right.
Let's put a pumpkin
All right.
in
I
the-
guess that's all I see worthy.
I see.
You want to see now?
I'm
Okay.
holding.
All right. Oh, okay.
Pumpkin. Pumpkin.
Okay, you take picture. Just a second. Let me see.
Don't pull it. Sylvia, watch out. He's going to pull a cord.
No pulling, Anthony.
Please let go of the cord.
All right. Okay, here. You take picture. Come here and take. All right, here. So what do you have to do? No, no, don't touch. No, no. You're gonna have to do it by my rules if you're gonna do it. You are gonna hold it, but you have to follow my instructions, buddy. Don't put your hands here. Put it here. The other hand here, and push that button. This button here. All right.
Anthony,
No, don't put your hand there.
you took it, buddy.
You got one already. You wanna see? Okay, no, 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 no. Here, I'll show you. See? You got that picture. There it is. No, that's enough. That's enough. Who, me? That was a challenge. Okay, Elena, do you want to get behind too for one I see?
Yes.
Okay. Eva, say I see.
I see.
Look at me, everybody. Say I see. I see.
I see.
Anthony, say I see. Go behind Eva. Go behind Eva there. And say I see. Say I see.
I see.
Okay, everybody. Nice smiles.
I
Good
see.
job. Eva. Eva.
I see.
Eva.
Let's not touch her head.
Eva.
I see.
All right. I see.
Here, I'll help.
All right. I think that's good. You'll help. You think you can get her to smile, Elena? You
Seems
think?
like she's
Okay, see if you
extremely
can-
busy.
Yeah, see if you can get her to smile.
It seems like she's extremely.
Yeah. But those are best pictures because that's what
She's extremely.
shows what she was into, right? Uh-oh, what do you find?
Sticker, I think.
A sticker? No,
What is
don't
she-
go on the road. There's
I think she's knocking on the grass.
what is she doing?
Knocking on the grass. She likes to knock on stuff
Oh.
right now.
Not chew.
She likes to chew and knock. That's the latest one.
Yeah, that's a big one, huh?
Yeah, but
pretty good.
that doesn't work when she's just looking down.
Yeah.
No, don't need that.
What she has.
She's a bad.
Oh, the grass. Get it off.
Good job, Elena.
Good job, big cousin.
Good job, big cousin.
Good save.
Now investigate.
Investigation. Don't step on her.
Hey, Anthony, watch out.
Now investigate.
On her feet.
Cousins. Ah, cousins.
Let me take a picture of 3 of you guys.
Yeah, I was thinking. Yeah.
Anthony, stay back. There's tractor coming. There's more choo-choo train.